Get excited about the 2021 INFINITI QX80. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of an INFINITI are offered, including a power liftgate, skid plates, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. INFINITI ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.